Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off the voice assistant on your JBL Live 460. So first of all, select your headphones from the JBL headphones application. Next, just scroll down, go to the voice assistant, and right here, as you can see, we can select between the Google Assistant basically the Amazon Alexa. As you can see, currently is set up for the native voice assistant, but you can select this one that you want to use. So if you want to get the Google Assistant, just click on this once. And if you want to get more options of this Google Assistant, you have to go to the Google Assistant settings. Then you can just go back, and as you can see, the Google Assistant is activated. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.